Cloud storage is unfortunately problematic when using with EndNote. The issue is that when you work on your EndNote library, when it is stored on the cloud, it can cause corruptions to your library. And this can always take time, not necessarily straight away. We recommend using the cloud as storage for such things as your backup, or if you need to access your library from different locations. If you do need to use the cloud, always download and save your EndNote library to your local device to work on it. Don't ever work on it when it's on the cloud. Once you have finished working on it on your local device, you can then save the updated copy back to the cloud. Also keep in mind that some operating systems, particularly on Macs, have automatic backups to the cloud. Double check the settings with your operating system, and if that is the case, ensure that you save your working library to a location that isn't being backed up to the cloud on a regular basis.